So I was grilling in the winter. Went to take the food off the grill, leaned into the grill after the hood was down, and ouch, burned myself. And initially, I mean, it was all inflamed, and I keep the word mushy, it gets whatever. And so I initially used Manuka honey and coconut oil, which have done some help, some good. But after speaking to Saga, and she said to use this, which I thought was cosmetic. And so I put it on, and it instantly soothed it, and it stayed soothed. It wasn't just a contact type of a thing. It stayed, not the throbbing went away, the burning went away. The next morning, I had already had signs of this, which is, as we all know, when you cut or hurt yourself, when it starts scabbing, you know it's healing. And the healing, I think it's a healing accelerator. That's what I would call it, because it started the healing process going. So this is 2 days after initially using it on there, and I don't have to wrap it anymore, and it's flexible. It's not like sometimes when it starts healing and you move and then it cracks and bleeds. It has not been doing that. It's just healing. And I'm sold. Yeah, for cuts, for burns, absolutely, girlfriend.